Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. We have here another themed tree. So the topper is going to be these antlers. I'm going to string it up, or I guess wire it up to the top. We've got some army men. This came from two different packs. One was a Dollar Tree, one was like Fred Meyer. And then I've had this for a while. Oh, is it burlap? I don't know exactly what it is, but it's pretty wide. And then these little guys, Dollar Tree is killing it in the craft section. Let me know if you want a video on that, because there's some pretty nice stuff, and at least it looks nice. I've got some more of my plastic bag Pom Poms. I've got a video on how to make those. So it provides for lots of fun variety and upcycling sort of thing. And then I did some ribbons in the various camo colors. And here is what it looks like. I'll show you some closer ups. Now obviously it kind of blends in because, well, it's a lot of green or muted colors on a green tree. But it does look better in person. I really did enjoy doing this. This was kind of a send-off for an old roommate who loved camo. A lot of her decorations were camouflage. And I will say, obviously, this is kind of a mix. It's like a hunter's / military. So if you are actually trying to decorate something camouflage, you probably have one or the other reason. I don't know. I'm not judging your camouflage. Maybe you just like it. Either way, I strung these little army guys up. I don't know, the purple thread was the best idea, but it didn't really stick out that much. It was kind of fun to place them around, have some of them jumping off, some of them fighting each other. Pretty epic when you look up close. And then if you can spot it, there's a little homage to Hunter's Orange stuck in the tree. But I enjoyed it. It's not technically along the line of the holiday trees as kind of this whole playlist is about. I've got a whole playlist of pretty much like every American holiday that we can think of. But let me know what you think. If you enjoy it, would you add something different? Really didn't invest too much into this. Had most of it, like the antlers. Gosh, I had a coworker give them to me like a decade ago, not even joking, because he knew I was into crafts. So I've had those antlers for a long time. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I appreciate you joining me. Check out the rest of the playlist if you're interested in fun ideas for decorating a tree, and subscribe, hang around. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.